Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is another Minecraft video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm playing on Java PC edition. And we'll be making another portal. Simple and easy in Minecraft. Alright, let's get into it. You wanna have a pickaxe with you, cobblestone, flint, or water bucket. You can have any block that you have, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so first of all, you want to pick out 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. On this fourth block, place your block. Okay. And then come to an angle. Oh, oh my god, are you joking? Okay, anyways guys, make sure you are on shift, alright? Okay, so back to the video. Now, once you've placed your block on the fourth block, you then want to, with your water bucket, at an angle. Good video. So once you place down your cobblestone or any block, you, with your water bucket from an angle diagonally, place the water like that, and you should get yeah, there's obsidian going over there. Then break this, and you'll get this. Okay. Now break inside the inside and fill that up. Now you've got your base done. Pick up the water and place cobblestone over here, and 4 blocks high. 1, 2, 3, and one like that. Go down and place your water in this corner over here. So basically it'll be like this, and this is how you create your portal. Get the lava, go down. There you go. And we've done that, so final step, take the water down, and you've built your portal. Easy way. Put in the flint, and there you go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you